Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. In our previous video, we had learned about page number 89 and 90. We learned about the common multiples and LCM also. Today, we will start with page number 91 and further. So we will start, as we are seeing the heading, we will start with the common multiples and the sums regarding to the common multiples. Now let's start. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in a red circle. If it is a multiple of 5, write it in the blue circle. So first of all, students, here two circles are given, red and blue. We are supposed to write the multiples of 3 in the red circle and 5 in the blue circle. Some questions are also there regarding this. Let's see. Some numbers are multiples of both 3 and 5. Some numbers are multiples of both 3 and 5. So we can say that they are common to both 3 and 5. They are common to both 3 and 5. Think, if you write the multiples common to 3 and 5 in the purple part, then they will still be in both the red and blue circles. See, students, the circles are overlapped, isn't it? So this is the purple part. If we write down the common multiples of 3 and 5 here, then also they will be a multiple of 3 also and 5 also. So let's write down the multiple of 3 first of all and then 5. Write down the multiple of 3. First of all, I will write down the side, then I will put here the multiples of 3. 3, then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 4s are 12, 5s are 15, 6s are 18, 7s are 21, 8s are 24, 9s are 27 and 10s are 30. Similarly, I will write down the multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. Now, which are the common? In yesterday's my homework also you have solved the sums regarding to the listing the common factors. So now let's see which are the common ones. So common multiples which are in the of 3 and 5, we can see that 3 not there, 6 is also not there, 9 is also not there, 12 no, 15 yes, 15 is there, 18 not there, 21 not there, 24 no, 27 no, 30 yes. Students, if we will go further by writing the table to further multiples, then again we can get many of the common multiples. Okay, but we are already doing till 10. Now the common ones we will write down in this circle, purple part. Which are the common? This is 15 and 30. Now rest of the multiples, as it has been told in the textbook question, we will write down here. Which are the rest of the multiples? 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21, 24, 27. These are the rest. And here our 5, 10, 20, 25, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Understood, students? So this way we have solved this sum. Now regarding the questions. So which is the smallest among these common multiples, isn't it? we are supposed to find out the LCM also. The common multiples are 15 and 20. Out of 15 and 20, which is the smallest one? So 15 is the smallest one. So what is the LCM of this number? The LCM is 50. So we will write down here LCM is 50. Okay. Now repeat the game using the numbers 2 and 7. Same game we are supposed to find out by using the numbers 2 and 7. Okay students. So here only I will do about a 2 and 7 also. Let's list the multiples of 2 first. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. Till 10 only I will write. Then let 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 64, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. Now let's do the common ones. 2 not there, 4 it is not, 6 8 10 12 it is also not there, 14 yes 14 is here and here is also 14, 16 also not there, 18 also not there and 20 is also not there. If we will go further, then we can find out something. Let's list 2 I will list more further. 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, 13s are 26, 14s are 28, 15s are 30. So till 15 I have again. So I one more I found a common one, 28. Is the difference? This only I am showing you. If we will go further, extend the tables further, the multiples we will find out the more multiples, then more common multiples we will get. So the common multiples what we got was, I will write down the common multiples, write down the common multiples of 6 and 7. So it is 14 and 28. Now what is the LCM here? Which is the least one? So the LCM, the smallest one is 14. So LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. Understood students? This sum you are supposed to do in the textbook only, and this is regarding to the common multiples and LCM. This method of finding the common multiples and LCM is by listing the multiples. Here we are listing them, writing down the multiples, and then we are finding out the LCM and common multiples. Now students, let's see the next sum, which is on page number 92. It is also regarding to the finding out the common factors and LCM. Now repeat the game by putting multiples of 4, 6 and 5 in the circles. Now here there are 3 circles, isn't it? 4, 6 and 5. Students, this type of pattern where overlapping of circles, in maths we call that as a Venn diagram. We call it as a Venn diagram. This we will study in future. In higher standards you will study this. Okay. Now let's list out the common factor multiples of 4 first of all. Multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3s are 12, 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, and 4 10s are 40. Okay, now let's try with the 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, and 5 tens are 50. Now let's be 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, and 6 tens are 60. Okay, now let's find out the common ones. 4 not there, 8 not there, 12 here it is not there, here is there, 16 not there, 20 here is there but here it is not there, 24 not there, 28 here is also not there, 32 here it is not there, 36 here is not there, 40 yes 1, and here also, but 6 in 6 it is 40 is not there, so 40 will be not coming. Okay, leave it. 40 is also not there. Now the no common multiple is there. Then students what will do? So now we are supposed to move further for that, और थोड़ा आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. Let's take the common multiples of 4. ओके, थोड़ा बहुत 4 के और एक्स्ट्रा मैं लिख देता हूँ. ये विल कॉल 4 4 I will write 4 10s are 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48, 4 12s are 48, 4 13s are 52, 4 14s are 56, and 4 15s are 60. चलो 15 तक मैंने कर दिया. तो ऐसे उसका मैं 4 का एक्स्ट्रा किया, वैसे मैं 5 का भी कर देता हूँ. आई विल मोर फर्दर डू एक्स्ट्रा ऑफ 5 ऑल्सो, देन 60, देन इट विल बी 50 ऑफ 50, 55, 11s are 55, 12s are 60, then 13s are 65, 14s are 70 and 15s are 75. Now 60. So till here. So now if we go further to 15 we go, here we got 60. 60 here is also 60. In 5's table also 60 is there, and in 6's table also 60 is there. Isn't it, students? So 60 will be the common multiple. So till we are not getting any common multiple, we have to extend the multiples. We have to write further multiples. Now we will write down, as we have got the common multiple. So which is the common one? So the 4's multiple will write down in red, 6 multiples will write down in yellow, and 5 multiples will write down in here. Now there are some multiples are such, students, which are there in multiples common of 4 and 5 also. So that 4 and 5 we will write down here. Some are the common multiples of 4 and 6, they will write down here. Some common multiples of 6 and 5, that we will write down here. And the LCM, which is the not LCM, the common multiple of all the three, which is 60, that I will write down in between. So it is the multiple of all the three and it is common. Now let's write out multiples of 4. I will start 4. So 4 is only of 4, so I will write down here. 8 कहीं और है? No, 8. Then 12. 12 here it is not there, but here it is there, isn't it? 12 is here and here. So the 12 is a common multiple of 6 and 4. So I will write down the 12 here. Okay. तो यहाँ पे 12 हो गया, तो I will make a mark for it so that we can understand that 12 is completed. 12, 16. No, there is no 16. So we will write it here. 20. 20. Yes, 20 is here also and here also. 5 is also multiple and 6 it is not. So 20 is a common multiple of 4 and 5. So I will write down in purple. 24. Here it is not there, but in 6 it is there, isn't it? So 24. So 24. Again I will write down here 24. 28. 28. It is also not there. The 20 is only a factor of 4. 28. 32. 32 is nowhere here. 32 is only of 4. 36. Yes, it's common of 6. So 36. 40 is common of 4. This both 5 and 4. So 5 and 4, 40. Okay. 44. Again it is only common of 4. If you want to list, you can list 44. Then 48. What is there in 6? Okay, so 48. Then 54. So 48. Then 52. It is also not there. Only of 52. 56 is also known where. 52, 56. I will write down here 52 and 56. Okay. Now these are I have listed the multiples of 4 which are common of 5 and 6 also. Now let's take 5. 10, 15, 20 already is here. Okay, then 25, 30. 30 is a common of 5 and 6. So 30 I will write here. 35 only of 5. 40 it is written. 45, 50, 55, 60 I have written here. 65, 70 and 75. Now let's list the multiple of 6. 6, then 12 I have written. 18, 24 it is written. 30 it is written here. 36, 42, 42, 48 we have written. 54, and 60. Okay, we will go to 60. These are the multiples of this. I have not taken the multiples of 6 more than 10 because we have got the a common factor, so I have not taken it more than. So it is only for understanding, so I will take until the 10 only. Understood? So this way we have supposed to mark all the common multiples. Now let's check the answers. What are the common multiples of 5 and 6? Did you write in the green part? Yes, 5 and 6. The common multiples of 5 and 6 we have written. It is also 30. So it is the green part. It is 30. Isn't it? 30, and we can also call the common multiple or the 60 also. In everybody it is there. So common is 30 and 60. Now, what are the common multiples of 4 and 6? Common multiple of 4 and 6. There are many common multiples between 4 and 6. So, the common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12, 36, 24, 48 and 60, isn't it? Now, in which colored part did you write the common multiple 4, 6 and 5? Which color it is? Grey color. So, we will write down here grey. Grey color. Now, what is the smallest common multiple of 4, 5 and 6? The smallest common multiple, we have only got one common multiple of all the three numbers. It is the smallest. Only one we have got is the smallest. So, the smallest multiple is 60. So, it is the LCM is 60. Understood, students? So, this we have done in our textbook, and you are supposed to write down this in the textbook only.